Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Shri Satyapal Malik inducted as the chief patron of the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides. Asha workers of Umden PHC today felicitate MAWU leaders. Ribhoi District Administration organizes Blogging Run 2021. And Meghalaya participants in WACO World Kickboxing Championship 2021 in Italy return home with no medals. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Governor Shri Satyapal Malik today inducted as the chief patron of the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides in a ceremony held at Darbar Hall, Raj Bhavan, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Shri Satyapal Malik said that the Bharat Scouts and Guides is a benevolent organization for young people as well as the community and hoped that he would be able to lend his support to the movement for the betterment of the society.
These areas, we are lucky to have a visionary Prime Minister in the form of Narendra Modi, whose many bright initiatives have helped greatly for the general population, and we should come forward and avail those benefits as well as encourage others to do the same. Our independence veterans have great hope in works of the Scouts and Guides, to name a few: Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit H.N. Kunjru, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, Pandit Shri Ram Vajpayee, Justice Vivian Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru have utilized the efforts of the Scouts and Guides to bring harmony in the country post-partition India. This example should be repeated now and again as we celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India. In the next year, the state of Meghalaya will celebrate the Golden Jubilee of statehood. The movement should come with good activities to celebrate this jubilation. More young people should be encouraged to join the movement so that its works must have a scaling effect to more people.
Shri D.P. Walang, State Chief Commissioner, Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, informed that following the directives of the Scouts and Guides movement from the national headquarters New Delhi to increase the membership of the Scouts and Guides in the country to a total of 1 crore membership by 2025. The Meghalaya chapter of the movement issued directives to all schools, colleges and universities to identify faculty members and also to pep up students to join as beginners and form units in their respective institutions. Song and dances were also presented by the members on the occasion.
Part of the school and college education of a child or youth concerning moral education, human values, feelings, work culture, social commitment and discipline. As of now, the Scout and Guides movement from the national headquarters in New Delhi has given and has started a new project to increase the membership growth of the Scouts and Guides in the country to a mammoth total of 1 crore membership, and this is to be achieved by 2025. In this regard, we have issued instructions to all the schools, colleges and universities in the state to identify faculty members and also to prep up the students to join as beginners and thereafter to form units in their respective institutions. It is our concerted effort to bring this movement forward, to push it, because it is a very important movement right from the year 1909 when it started and gained affiliation in 1938 in our country. It is a movement with no discrimination to any sex, caste, creed.
Asha workers of Umden PHC today felicitated the president of MAWU Soni Kharjana, advisor Pidaris Marbanyang, General Secretary Bertina Langste and treasurer at felicitation program held at Umden in Ribhoi district. The program was held to recognize their hard work towards the society. Through these 4 leaders, the Umden PHC was able to get more Asha workers to lessen their works. MLA Meral Bonds Aim and MDC Babalajit were present on the occasion.
Kita bersendak menurut kejongan ibu untuk hikmat ban yakun ban yakit dan kompetisi ini. Dalam sisa nama benda itu ukur dan regi dan kesimpulan suki. Balma kinogelam jumlah ini yang terjadi di dalam ini sound kinogelam kong mira kong karjana kong marwan yang kong landscape sound kibalong dan ini kita kemarin kibalur kibustur kibalan betik snap kibalan betik champagne apa disebut. Pada yang ini itu disebut bangkira di tempat kita kinogelam kibat champagne. Baru-baru yang begini, hiburan begini. Dengar tanya itu dia mesti ya, perkara push isu itu. Angin semua. Nama berpikir dia kau belajar. Dia melewati kain cek dia, mesti dia dari kau ini. Dia pun nak bertanya. Unit prepare dia orang ini itu lagi. Bagi ini sekarang. Bagi perusahaan bagi pun invoice of company job always. Menegak yang keren hanya kita dalam hidup ini. Hak kalian jom kasorkan jelas. Jadi perhat kerbang penuh formulir dan senaya kita di polisi, apa health department, bantuan kubur, ban ID siu, kita kambiang, nak mana di syakiri yogi. Nama kita itu terkenal kan Indonesia. Agaman dinilai katakan bantuan suku bandara sebagai korban berimut sebagai kabinet berimut yang diminister nak kata berhak terbang ini yang hasil lagi ilmu pasti berjalan mengalami nak berita itu turun nak ulang ikan lagi.
To observe the 50th year of Meghalaya statehood, the Office of Deputy Commissioner Rebhoy District, in collaboration with Nongport Town Committee, today organized the Plogging Run 2021. The run was flagged off from Umlankadat and culminated at Nongport Town Shopping Complex. A similar run was flagged off from Maudyang and culminated at Nongport Town Shopping Complex. The run was participated by 8 localities under Nongport Town Committee. The program was graced by the Deputy Commissioner of Rebhoy District, R.M. Kurba, and other officials of the government of Meghalaya.
Tata government celebrating 75 years of independence yang kari kami. They have a bit kani ni kumla ongi kong mentan rupa gade ru kebentar bang internet ban ya celebrate dan ban ya lekmen ya video tindak Sanhok na long state for the government. They halap kami kumang ngepeki kita dulu kanong kapakot kebetulan. Habang ipek hati kalikawan dan hati dukan kumang aju ongi hati program dulu. Iberi di bawah sini di teman dan yoi bat iberi mo sika tak banyak habang pek itu di hilda ini habok di kalsa. Silang ke SA kapapula ng tajuki. Te kano hayir bu niya tikya bahaya lang sa kapong na jom. Ndray habang ipit na din nakabiyali ka surok kalansi ka sakit. Onsin kapil atatin niya ni. Tungki kanong bili mo. Wala nilin niyo ibigay mo. Habang ipit yung gani tungkay yung kumala hayir mo ni. Ndray sa ba kada Then, nada ketika inisiatif pada sim nak kalian ke Nongport Town Committee atau collaboration jom ke office ke jomi pada sport Pasangan babalikan air ke masjid.
So viewers, let us take a short break. And now we will continue with the remaining news. The three martial arts of Meghalaya, Hamishanya Suyam, Babit Kharsono and Pinshrine Miki Rabonchilla, who participated in the WACO World Kickboxing Championship 2021 in Italy, came back home with no medals. The participants regretted their defeat to lack of infrastructure in the state. They also regretted their participation as they had to shelf out all their expenditure from their own pockets.
Ketika dia macam ni bagi Arab dengan tam iman yang berkendu ini ada apa dah thai dai yang ba ai cái terus trong bi ngan long tahu nong ai mesti macam ni ban ai ketika dia bat kajing keluar trong ni kalau long sahabat ila kalau yang apa Arab bat ila Arab sibun lu bangamla su ban sikul yang ila Arab dengan tiket banganyo malai lakas tu Itali bat imai pa ila pa atakaram lu bat Hoi, anak-anak suka kamu nak main apa ni? Mas mau komen bah kacing kendu, kacing Arab jom sport mister yang om yang kelamyo para lain pun kendu ni kacing Arab jom yang mar bangaju ya terlang pati ngaju keluar mana Arab jom kamu jom dak keluar pati jo iru yang bangal kai bon kita namen iskun kita nak kerja kai keluar ban nak senyang bat ibadalang ni baru pilap lut kapor ban penwalang pansnolang ya kajing wan jungi stay wala kajing dia jungi kalau apa jenjaras jenjar nan kongsi jaga pengin yo paktes ni pakat ya kapsa ngilong taw khrom utaw mga lakai itur pon khrom sini stay itur pon khrom sini stay nim yo pan pulut bah puas man kaban paktes nim yo sho ni pakat ya kapsa itur shon ya kapsa banyak kabal ya karu ndai kajing don kacung blay play lah kamti bat dulu iki brio ki baha ki kroi ban sopor adu kamsim jeki kila ai ngi kendat kesoj kata kenya juga kendat kesoj karena kan show ini akla juga ban pendap ban yo ban Asia Federation takada ngamsum ngah sempat jengki ngomong ye amar ngalong tak na apa terus stop apa ya apa
po Oktober po Jesulu Winis Italy kawat kubor ka bakaman dai ke ba susi kelong anda lawan nang te na po gawan nomor kidam teammate sungi nagi arfungut frangut ki bayo positif ketak pada ngihap set selum kembali spus ni kasan sengi ketak pada gejing praktis ngimyo ban praktis kasan trik ni lat ka quarantine jong September kat ni wat praktik nga ada benlik cepo Kolkata benlik visa namar banyo visa benlik ci European country ke Schengen visa kam deg besuk nganit ba kila asat let ti baca apply ke stu kat no gejing ban yo ye visa Schengen ringes mu ban ke Indian team ni dan ar prangot ke sien ban kom ni yo ar prati visa kau tang katang siam jige long ngibit nang ni ar pratrik jongbu September ngim de yo thang kita praktis biang ni lech national training camp ke belong po una na do strict do pratrik nang ta ni continue ke national training camp yang po arena de kata ke pengmin hingi de ben fokus ke jin kai indri kum gino le kai kumba pila semua ni gino keren ni babit na keren ni ke pengin ki atlet sang jika pengin long kita gino le kai ki ben fokus ke jin le kai ban 100% jin le kai mar ke jin do nimar ke jing siam jung sibun ki jinge ke jing ni khamtam ke jing lut ke jing let ke bajangai nang ne sepo Italy ke jing lut ke bobon ni man se ban hap pelut na plahawai ni la li kendu minister sport minister ni la kendu chief minister la kelon Andre ke bobon ke jing lut ngimpat yo ke jing rap aduk ngentip aduk landong ni yo Andre ye ke jing lut jung ni kau bang aingo yang asyik mengambil tip babit kulak penpau babit pensaing penpau.
The office of the Shillong Municipal Board, in collaboration with the social work students from Martin Luther Christian University, today organized an awareness program through a street play on community-based owned program in the entire stretch of Motpran, Shillong.
Jaga mostly di kini di lai mentagi shop play na mentagi street vendor se ki kai ki gumno ban pun khot ho isong so jaga ai de livelihood andre hakmat pembohong dokter you ke first priority de cleanliness andre ke jeng le ko le seba de ke pedong kam minta lai ka short play ni kini ki kena Martin Luther Christian College kila ele ban kumno ban pen kai một phần song thu ý cái street vendors cũng đâu bận lệ của những cái taka và kinh song bận under cái lạ đẹp như số ba của itu cái taka và kinh song nomor lah saya duduk demo pi bận man song itu cái taka nak kata kedau ni kum ni di senong ru nak kapor ni lah kerpat ni lah koi kecing kerpat eki bagi ong kong semua bawa wat slai gini ki iga longkum di platform nomor play kum municipal ke jenjar hamba mampu tu ketika gila kerpat nak kapor ini bakin semua bahan bu menstep under gila kam dukan mira no nomor municipal menta haga siski di mansat arsin hak siski tempat bentuk hamsuk nomor ni senong lu untuk sanitize gini ketika bagi song do yu kanta kedau bu biang keceng kerpat akan tu in semua ban weng no igini platform bu digi ben gi onda pila khang men ra no nomor play municipal usuk ben pungkut ben wan pungkut ben sar ben pungkut untuk cakap berpisong ini tepat ipiru onda pila dep lum yigi yaga yigi dukan jongki coba piru sar pungkut itu cakap berpisong
ya karme to ala ba karme tam no ya tam
Hey, mana pak? Ini kan tak kentul.
Berat rotan lain je lah. Mana berat pak?
Hanya, ini ketika biodegradable waste, dengan kami cuba hot. Nak hot. Dan kami terang dulu, non biodegradable waste, Ni tap kunci, jok off, dan plastik. Itu. Balik ni ya. Plastik yang berat rumah ni ya.
Kapag imon kan? Beli tu kan?
Ya.
Nak kembali ke dia?
Iya, abang ni ditutup perut ya. Kalau kemudian I mean yin sampai ke yin cuma yin cuma baru ni habat kuat kembang kuat yin kan.
Kami yang tungkai ni, cuma one municipal je sama tungkai municipal. Oi, why you taking a picture? Beli bawa dress bawa ni ya. Kapag imon kan beli.
Yin tu kisah kan ni.
Hindi mo kibig tuan mata ini.
Yin si dress bawa ni. Katong ka SWM 2016 rule, kisah punya Shatan Alliance.
Kamatay start ka ba?
Penalize rupees 5,000 to 25,000. Ngan pa ka ni ka.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.